Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, the 11th of the March 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex market because there is something interesting for today. The key event that everyone on the Forex market is waiting, and it's of course the European Central Bank interest rate announcement scheduled at 1:45 p.m. Of course, together with this interest rate decision, we have a deposit facility rate decision, marginal lending facility decision, monetary policy meeting, and of course ECB press conference, which is scheduled at 2:30. So very interesting things on euro might be going on today, so we will take a look definitely on the euro today. But anyway, there is something important, not that much important as a ECB interest rate decision, but something important during the New York session. We have unemployment claims and continuing claims data scheduled for release 2:30 as well. Those are of course from the US. We got the jobs openings, and then we got some speeches from Bank of Canada Deputy Governor Lawrence Schwembly. So that's today's calendar. I guess not much will be going on the euro pairs before the interest rate announcement from the ECB. But anyway, we will take a look at this euro pair, various euro pair. So what do we have here? We have euro to the Swiss franc. What is going on from the bigger perspective? As you can see, we are going up. We are going up since, well, let's say the lows of the 2020, 17th of the March. As you can see, this is the trend line. Once we were up above the trend line, once we were down below the trend line. Recently, we have a breakout, the test, and then new higher high, and then of course new higher low. So that's very interesting wave progression, very interesting market behavior. Let's take a look if there is anything here that could make it a little bit easier for us to analyze. We have a technical support. Once it was resistance 1.1056. We have some sort of a major resistance here as far as I'm concerned, which is somewhere here. It will be somewhere here. As you can see, that was the bounce here, breakout, and then as you can see, this level was a technical resistance. So it's the market knows it is there. The market acknowledges this level. As you can see, we almost hit this level, 1.1158. So that's a very interesting level, and we will do the Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low. So as you can see, let's just stay here. There you go. And as you can see, we are just above 61%. So the key retracement had been already done, had been tested. What else left? Technical resistance and technical support for this market. So if of course the level of 1.1158 is violated, then we can go a little bit higher towards the next target. But if this level is not violated, then of course we are back under this line. We are back under the trend line, of course, right? So what do we have here? We have a technical support, and I think we should do some sort of the zone here, because it's more likely 1.891, 1.915. This is the zone for this market, the demand zone, and bulls will defeat it. And of course, as you can see, the next technical support is seen somewhere here. I mean, this level, the lows of the end of the February 2021, 1.955. So it looks like we are going up. We are going up in a very specific manner. The key technical resistance almost hit. If violated, then we go towards 1.12. So that's the next target for the euro. And it looks very, very nice for bulls so far. So that's the euro to the Swiss franc. Let's take a look at the euro to the Japanese yen. As you can see, those market trends from the lows of the 2020, this is clearly some sort of a bounce, or maybe even a new uptrend. It's very steepy, and we're going up and up. So let's just mark the technical resistance, and the technical resistance is here, so that will be red. There you go. That's the first technical resistance, and the second one I see that might be interesting is here. Yeah, there you go. It's almost hit by the price. And of course we have some technical support. Well, the major one is here, but the others are coming as well. The next technical support, the key technical support is either 125.03 or 127.50. I would rather place my technical level here, 127.4650. This is the target, and as this is the technical support, the key one. And as you can see, we are moving up and up. Okay, the biggest correction so far on the euro was made here, and that's 4.31%. This one is more steepy, but it's not that much. No, it's 4.14. Well, they're almost in the terms of the price, they're almost the same. So please keep an eye on for something technical correction, right? The corrective cycle. And what I need one more trend line. There you go. I need a trend line from here to apparently here, and as you can see, we have almost 3 touches of this blue line. Let it stay blue. The first touch and almost the second touch here, but I think we can do the parallel channel here, because it looks like we are trending inside of this channel. But it's very interesting how this market is going up and up and up and up. Not very technical. I'm trying to adjust this channel, and adjusting doesn't actually helps that much as I thought it will. What do we have here? Yeah, well, we have this channel anyway. Let's say we have this channel, but as you can see, we have some internal corrections here as well. So let's just check how much is the correction here. This is 0.97, and that spike down is 0.92, and the last one is 1.37. So 1.37, not that big. It can be this one. 1.37, 0.92, 0.97, roughly 1% correction. So if you see some sort of the corrective cycle, which is around 1%, you can see that this is nothing but normal in this market. So that's okay. Those are the corrections, and of course the internal level inside of this channel are the supports are here, which is 128.41. We can clearly establish this one as our technical support, and we'll make it a little bit bigger, because that's the key level here. Any breakout higher will likely lead us towards the boundary, the upper boundary of the channel. So please pay attention to this. But so far, as you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And what is missing? It's missing higher high. The momentum confirms this. So we expect euro to the Japanese yen to go higher. And the last one is euro dollar, and the euro dollar possibly might be completing this recent recent wave down. According to this very simple Elliott wave scenario, what should we see now? If this is the wave 1 of the wave C, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, we need one more wave to the downside. Let me just put it for you. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and now it's a wave 4, wave 5, and we are completed. So what I mean, we are completed. We then will have a classical correction made in a form of ABC, right? That would be A, B, and C. This is a higher, let's say, higher cycle, right? 61% violated, 1.1885. So we don't need this any longer. And right now the key level is this, the low of the wave 1, which is 1.1988. If this level is violated, then of course we cannot have impulsive wave to the downside, because wave 1 overlaps wave 4 overlap wave 1. So the ABC irregular flat correction is invalidated. So please pay attention to this level, 1.1988. We should spike lower before we go up. So there may be some kind of a price action just before the ECB interest rate announcement, right? So we have support 1.1831, and if we make some sort of the projection, let's say 8B and C waves, we will use the Fibonacci expansion tool. So you can see the 100 has been hit already, right? So the wave A is equal to the wave C, but if we get lower, maybe there is something going on the level of 1.1752. That might be the target for the wave C, and then of course we will have some sort of a nice Fibonacci geometry. But if we break above 1.1988, the whole structure is invalidated. So please keep an eye on this chart. Maybe this what I have in my chart. Maybe this scenario, including the Elliott wave scenario, the Elliott wave progression, the Elliott wave development is correct. If it is, then we need one more spike down, and then the euro can return to the uptrend, because it's still in the uptrend. Well, maybe that's the case for the euro for today. Keep an eye on these levels, guys, and we'll see how the ECB interest rate announcement will affect the euro market. So I hope you guys like it, and I think I will see you tomorrow in Friday for the last day of trading this week. So thank you very much for watching this analysis, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.